Alright. Basic over. Who's that?
What's up, guys?
Who's that? Say your business. Get over here now.
Yeah.
Get over here now. Commander! Commander!
What's up?
Commander! I took over the base as you said.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
the weapons upstairs. Up
well,
there.
we're going to be fighting when it's nighttime.
Okay, command.
But I don't know what's spring. It's brainstorm. Oh my gosh! I know it is. Inside of here.
How was the journey, command?
Okay, that's great.
So when are we getting our helicopters?
What do you mean helicopters?
We're taking over this base. We're gonna create a base out of it.
Create a base? Oh my god.
We could get our 18 Warthog up here.
Where?
Sorry, oh, I'm so sorry.
Where you?
I'm right behind you.
Where?
Command.
I doesn't see you.
I'll slap you. Command, please don't.
How you?
Command,
Oh,
I
you're
don't want to do
pretty
this
good.
today.
Okay.
My body armor is pretty bitten up. Don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
Shoot. So me. What happened?
Command, I'm for ad.
Okay. Okay. That was weird.
That was a very weird.
Can I just hit you back?
Alright, hit me back. Let's slap me.
Oh.
With your hand, with your hand.
Okay.
Ow!
I'm sorry. I got you in the feet, so I don't need. Ow, please.
Okay.
Get me in the head. It was on your leg, on your kneecap.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Come on,
scared.
guess what I have? Guess what I have? Guess what I have?
Oh. Oh. Hey. Thanks. I'm gonna put it on. I can't. Okay, you can't put these things
Yes,
on.
you could put them on.
I drop it. I did try. Okay.
Ooh, shiny.
Thanks. Well, I'm gonna go inside now because the zombie is gonna start to respawn. So let's just look out for the zombies by the time.
Copy that. Copy that.
No zombies. I repeat, there's no zombies.
Don't say that now. Because second you say that, where things are happening. Skeletons, skeletons.
Where?
Front gate, front gate.
Where?
Where am I looking? Where am I looking?
Zombie! How did that? Okay.
Jeez.
I'm bad at shutting, so I just shut it.
We'll go downstairs. We'll go downstairs.
No, I'm gonna. Let's start from up here.
Oh, jeez.
Start from up here. I'm a baby.
I'm pushing out.
Okay.
You trade me, command. How are you, the baby? Ouch! Right in my body
Okay,
armor.
I'm coming. I'm definitely coming.
Right in my body armor. Repeat, right in my body armor.
Ah, help! Get away from me, you sluts. Oh, thanks, you're my hero. I'm taking everybody out. I think we should start from upstairs. It's a good idea.
There's no aim up there. Repeat, there's no aim up there.
Okay.
Ouch! Body armor hit. Body armor hit. Ouch!
Who is that? Where are they?
Don't push out. Don't push out. Ouch!
Yeah.
You
Leave him alone.
annoying bastard.
Yeah.
Oh,
You need some
jeez.
bone things.
Spider. Spider.
No, you need to-
Spider. Spider.
I get it. No, creeper will blow up. I repeat, help! Help! There's two zombies coming after me.
And here we go again. Another freaking ad.
Finished? You finished? Yeah.
Almost dead. Could these ads leave me alone? I'm back in, command. Back in. Command. Command.
Yes, I'm coming in.
Oh no.
Don't be a baby.
I don't want to get close to these creepers at all. Come
Oh,
on!
shoot.
Why you walk in front of me?
Oh, this way. My health's really low.
Ouch! You bastard of a...
You son of a gun. Hey, drop something for me to eat. Oh, sorry.
You punched me.
Hey, don't get close to those. Those blow up. So just don't look at it. What if Enderman starts spawning? That'll be the worst. You upstairs?
There's bread upstairs if you like.
Yeah. Really?
Pretty hungry and low too.
They're inside. Oh. There's no aim. He's trying to come up. He's trying to climb the ladder. Zombies can't climb ladders. So I guess you're stupid dumb. You're
Oh no!
stupid dumb.
Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, leave him alone. I jump. Haha.
Jeez.
Good one.
Thank you, command. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna kill the scout. Oh y'all.
Why?
I forgot to cook my bread. I nearly died.
Jeez.
Bread.
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 It's bread.
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 Baguette.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I just need one bread. Oh shoot.
One bread?
Yes.
Are you crazy?
There's two. I don't want to take all their bread.
I have bread.
Greedy. Okay.
Oh shoot. Spider.
You need help?
No, I'm good.
Okay. That's enough. My health is going up. Eat one bread and that was it. Health up. Don't! Don't!
Stop running in front of me.
I'm trying to protect you. Please? Yes.
Got him.
Enderman. Let's sort of look at him.
These ants
Ants
won't
are
leave me
slow.
alone.
I come back in.
Copy that. Provide me cover.
I can't. I see anything. It's only rain. Drops. Okay. I'm back in. Okay. You need to help me. There's a skeleton over here.
Oh crap.
Or
Crap.
what is
Crap.
it? Can not tell you.
Ouch. Freaking skeletons.
Ouch. That hurt.
I got him. I got him.
Okay. It's the next one. Down here. It's the next one. Spider. Spidey by me. Why are you?
Behind you. Behind you.
Okay.
I got him. I got him.
Skeleton! In the bones.
Ouch. I got hit.
Yep. I'm gonna take his arrows. You take it. You need help.
I have enough arrows. I have enough arrows.
Oh yeah.
Crap. Creeper. Creeper. Creepy. Creepy.
Good.
Creepy. Creepy.
Dang you!
Thank you.
Kill it.
Ouch. Armor.
Hey, leave him alone. Doesn't
Ouch.
taste tasty.
It's not bad for a rookie.
Okay.
I'm a
I
blood
was just
rookie.
about to take that. Anyways, more shots for me. Sound. Why?
I'm going dark here.
Where? Repeat, where are you? Where are you?
I'm next to you. I'm next to you. Don't worry. I'm fine.
You.
Creepers in the base. In the base.
That'll be fine. I have to go. They're trying to say I need more bread. I just have to eat one more bread.
Targets in the base. Repeat. Targets are in the base.
Pretty sure that. Coming. Pretty. Oh, I think I got stung in my throat. I'm bleeding bad. Anyway,
I'm taking a bite of my baguettes.
Back to work.
Back to work.
work.
Back to work.
I have a good idea. We should go in the basement
Skeleton.
and
Skeleton.
plant a plant. This is like my first time killing a skeleton.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Spiders keep respawning. I am
Spiders not the problem.
such a baby.
Skeletons. Ow, sorry, command.
No, you mean the creepers.
Oh,
Don't
shoot.
get in front of me.
Shoot, come on. Get away from me.
You will like that. I shot.
Running in. I got him, command.
It's
I got him.
almost morning.
Yeah. But remember, zombies, skeletons burn.
Yeah.
Creepers
Doesn't
and
burn.
spiders don't.
The villagers. Oh my God, ads.
I'm gonna start murdering these heads. I'm back in command.
I got shot in my throat. I don't feel so good.
I'm in hit.
Ouch. Who's getting me? Ah! Help!
Keep running. I'm on the way. I'm on the way.
Somebody hit me in my throat.
Coming in. That's mine. I have no freaking armor.
Okay, come. Oh! My
Crap.
God!
Medic.
Hey, come. I don't have anything.
Oh, they're not burning.
How did that was mine.
Look, here you
Look
go.
behind you.
Ouch, you stupid.
I get it.
You got it?
Right spot too. There's a witch.
I'm low on health. I repeat, I am low on health.
There's a witch. They throw dying potion on you. This one on survival. It's gonna be a hard time.
Here you go, command.
Dying potion.
Here you go.
What? I didn't even touch.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice.
I gotta go back to the base to get some more.
Okay, let's go, cause there's a witch out there.
A witch?
Yeah.
Spider in the base. Spider in the base.
Oh, you want me to tell you what the witch is good, you?
Take your potions.
Dying potion.
I don't know that. I don't know that again. I don't know that.
Okay, that's check out for the witch, cause right
I
now
have low health. Brit, I have low health.
I don't see her. I repeat, no, I don't see her.
I'm eating bread. Where's my bread? Where's
Get-
my breadstick?
Baguettes.
Okay, I got my baguettes.
I repeat, get up to upstairs right now. Get all eyes on the witch. Get all eyes on the witch.
Where is she? Where is she?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Nobody guys know everything or no?
Which? I have eyes on her. I have eyes.
Wait.
This girl is base. This girl is on out. Come get me, you stupid creeper.
Okay. I have eyes on her. If you go closer, she have her potion for her. If you get close to her, she will try to turn
Oh
it.
shoot!
Run.
She spotted me. She spotted me.
Run.
She spotted me.
I can't. Oh no. Run.
I got her. Ooh.
Oh, you kill a witch so easy.
Was your son sniper?
Well, if her nose go up, when her nose go up, hits her, and her nose dies, be easier.
Creepy. Thank you, command. Well, we got the zone.
If you want to wonder why I get in front of you sometimes, I'm trying to protect you.
Well, thank you, command. You taught me good.
Yep.
Well, I guess we got
Spider in the base.
Spider in the spooder. There's a spooder man in the base. Repeat, there's a spooder man in the base.
I was going to look to end it. I want to do the last one. I want to kill the last zombie.
Command elites. I repeat, command elites.
Let's kill it with our arrow.
Chicken.
No.
Okay.
No, leave my chicky. Leave my chicky.
Oh, command!
Oh, what?
You ran in front of me again.
Okay, cause I'm trying to protect you as I can.
I have no good aim. Take him out. Take him out.
Don't watch me. I tell you, don't watch me.
Oh. Thank you, command.
Yeah.
I needed the help out here.
Skeletons!
Not, no.
What? They get burned.
They got burned. Whoa.
Okay, let's see if we can. Let's wait until it's night again.
No.
Peace out.
Yeah, we should you should get back to headquarters.
Okay, fine.
Whoa. Position stand.
My side, my side.
Stop it.
Sorry.
Thank you, command. Thank you, command.
My side, my side.
Command, I'll kill you. Command,